Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Tia Armelia Suryani from 12D number 7. I want to explain about Gallica muscle pump. Gallica muscle pump is a liniment used to help relieve muscle and joint pain due to blows, bruises, sprains, and back muscle pain. How to use it? You can apply enough to the infection part, then rub evenly and slowly. Use 3 to 4 times a day to achieve maximum result. After 2 until 3 hours, you can put a hot towel on the part that has been applied. Side effect of Gallica muscle pump, which can cause irritation to itching and red rashes. For storage, safe under 30 degrees Celsius, cover tightly and avoid direct sunlight. For attention, don't use on damaged skin, keep out of reach of children, and don't use for children under 2 years old. Do you understand? Okay, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.